as it is tall. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons. Behind the dam, you can see Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail dam, or tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and seals the turbines on downstream. The water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature of 53 to 55 degrees. At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the cave. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy